They're off. From the outside, Exclusive Moon begins nicely. Here comes from between horses Noble Prince to challenge, and Noble Prince puts ahead in front. Exclusive Moon is right there on the outside. Second, Skibo in July is 2 lengths off their flank, while third, toward the outside, Power Lope is fourth. And Glatone has pace to chase, it appears, but he is last as the favorite, and he's already given the leaders about 8 lengths. They go past the half-mile pole now and swing to the far turn. On the inside, Noble Prince by ahead, Exclusive Moon on the outside second. Sharp opening quarter, 22-1. The best setup to 6-1 proposition, Skibo in July. Third and trying to tack on. Here comes the favorite Glatone. He's drawn within 7 of the lead, and he's just outside of Power Lope. They run to the top of the stretch, and on the inside, Noble Prince puts away Exclusive Moon. He'll have to deal with Skibo in July and Glatone, but at this point in time, Noble Prince doing the best work. Noble Prince off the top of the turn, a 3-length lead. Skibo in July is set down for the drive well second. Glatone is just offering a minor charge third, and the sharp speed of Noble Prince is still there. Noble Prince impressively in the late stages, wrapped up and geared down. It's Noble Prince, sharp winner, coast to coast by 5 lengths. Battles on for second. Give it to Power Lope inside over Glatone outside, and Skibo in July faded to fourth. Time 1:10.3. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the winner's circle,